Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change from margin to cash account in Moomoo. Alright, so let's begin with the video. While it might seem like something you can change directly in the app, the process isn't that simple, and there are a few key things you need to understand first. Moomoo supports both margin and cash accounts, especially for US users, but these are treated as separate accounts rather than one being converted into the other. In many cases, your default brokerage account is set up as a margin account if it meets certain requirements, and there isn't a simple toggle to switch it permanently to a cash account. Instead of converting the same account, the usual method is to create a separate cash account. This is typically done through the web platform rather than the mobile app. Once your cash account is set up, you'll need to prepare your margin account by closing all open positions and waiting for all trades and funds to fully settle. After everything in the margin account is settled, you can transfer your funds into the newly created cash account. Once the transfer is complete, you can begin trading using only the cash account, which means you'll be using settled funds without any margin. It's important to remember that you can't directly turn a margin account into a cash account with a single action. Even if you stop using margin features, the account itself will still be classified as a margin account unless you move your funds to a separate cash account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change from margin to cash account in Moomoo. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.